woke up, the death toll was at 44,000. By that night, it was 47,000. That was the day that Trump tweeted bragging that we're starting to reopen.
Front is the perfect size. Made in Memphis and enjoyed by the whole world. You're in charge of hiring, and it will also give you the sticky fries.
Okay, girl?
Suddenly
crazy is there's so many restaurants where these people, employed 50, 60 people, and restaurants are hard. It's hard to stay open when things are great. Restaurants are fucking, what is it? It's one of the post-store dinner at Dantana's, because Dantana's is open, the kitchen's open till like midnight. It's phenomenal. Some of the best Italian food in all of LA. And it's on Santa Monica Boulevard, like on the border of Boys Town.
And tailored tech solutions, like computers with Intel Core processors, servers,
what's his
storage,
problem?
networking, plus thousands of top-brand electronics, accessories, and software, no matter your technology needs.
And we remain committed to serving all of our members all of the time. That means our branches will remain open as long as possible. The safety of our members, employees, and community.
Hang out with them.
Their parents aren't doing social distancing?
This weekend there was like a day where everyone in the neighborhood was like, we can keep 6 feet apart, but the kids like totally started ignoring it, and Sarah, who's just very paranoid, reasonably.
So go ahead and see what.
Let's go to the beach.
Oh!
Oh! Why? What the fuck?
Oh, fuck.
And that's what it... Extending the screen by pulling the whole thing apart.
This wilderness is part of who you are. That was Alexander von Humboldt.
Wow.
Another spray, and finally the true test.
that's a difference. You fucking idiot. Holy fuck.
This is all public
Stop
space.
approaching me.
I'm not approaching you. This is all public space.
Ma'am, if you touch me one more time, I will shove you away.
I'm not touching you.
Stop approaching me. If you keep approaching me,
look, get that on camera.
stop
Look,
approaching me. So you throw money at me, and then you get up in my face over and over?
Nothing
The cops are gonna hear about this.
Oh, good. Let him do it. I'll get you on camera. Bring it over.
So you're trying to flee from a crime scene? I'm calling the. I'm telling you, I'm calling the police because you assaulted me and you're fleeing. I have it on video. You just hit someone. You just fucking hit them. She's trying to flee from a crime scene. I have that on video.